I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1996 Toyota Tacoma. The turn signal on the left side is blinking normally, but when I turn it to the right, it's blinking really fast. So the left side is blinking normally. When I turn it to the right, it's blinking really fast. So that's an indication of one of the bulbs on the right front or the right rear could be burnt out. Okay, so now we're in the back of the vehicle, the passenger rear. The turn signal light is flashing really quick. So we're going to check the passenger front. So we're at the passenger front of the vehicle. This turn signal light is not working, so I'm going to be checking the bulb. These are the tools and parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. A fillet tip screwdriver, dielectric grease, and 1156 bulb. So I'm going to be removing this lens from the outside. So there's two screws right here. You just got to remove it and then the lens will come out. So we're going to be taking out the bulb. We're going to be replacing this bulb. So I'm going to be changing the bulb. Before I put the new bulb on, I'm going to put some dielectric grease. Now I'm going to turn the turn signal on, make sure it works. Okay, turn them on. Okay, that looks good. Now we can put everything back together. Okay, so now the right side is blinking normally. Also the left side. So that's how you replace a passenger right front turn signal light bulb. If this is the first time watching my video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.